Okay, we will start now. Yeah, last class what we did is that drawing arrow diagram and node diagram. You have your homework on this. So today what I will do, you can see here, same thing. I just copied some scheduling from your book. I will solve it, yes, to like refresh our memory. Now these are mainly from examples. So if you bought the book, it is already in the book. Now before solving, last class I saw that I missed one item. One item is that, say, arrow diagram. Arrow diagram, what is this? My activity will be one arrow, right? My activity will be on the arrow. For node diagram, the activity is on the node. So this is my activity. These are my logic. Say logic or sequence, whatever. Here, this is my activity. These are my node. Start. This is finish. Yes. Now it has some name. Say name. We learn. We can name it 10, 20, 30, 40, or I, J, K, L, M, N, or 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a name I. This name is J. Now, what is the name of this activity? A. So, IJ means activity A. Right? IJ means activity A. Now, if I have another activity similar, can it be like this? Say here B, and move a little bit, or keep as it is. Move means I can move like this and like this. So this is A, this is B. Is it possible? So activity A, activity B, two separate activities. Both have common node, start, finish. Is it possible? No, you are telling it is possible. Then, what is IJ means? Activity B. So two activities, same name, right? Two persons, same name. It is not ideally possible. So two persons, same name, it is ideally not possible. Even here also. So if I say activity IJ, then what will you mean? A or B? It is confusing. So this became a rule that no, every activity should have distinct or unique start and end. So it is not possible. So two persons, same name in same class. It doesn't look good, right? So what can we do? Or not, we'll see later. So two persons, same name in the same class. What we do? We add. Okay, let me give you an example. Even me, yes. Me, when I was in undergraduate. So my name is, you know this, MD. Okay, write full name because it has some long history. So my name is this, and another person name is so my name has A, other person name is E. We used to study in the same class in my undergraduate, 2002 to 2007, same class. So I used to get his homework back, he used to get my homework back, opposite, because similar name. When I started my job in university, 10 years back, same university, same office room, big office room. He and me, same office room. Okay. So people used to come to, okay, who is Islam? And we two persons used to stand up. Now when we came to US, We both came to same university, Louisiana, at the beginning. So I used to get his letter, he used to get my letter. So then I came to New Mexico, he went to Arkansas. So now he is a professor in Arkansas Southern University or something like this. Now in US people use this way, right? First name, last name, middle initial. Yes or no? Yes. So now we both person become same. So two persons same name is a problem. So what to do? Either add something like, okay, add here say doctor, add here say professor or something, whatever you like. But if you do not like me, you will write here stupid MD Islam and then handsome MD Islam. And he is very handsome, taller than me, so beautiful English, good personality, always like suit, shirt, perfume, so fit. Yes, I'm not that kind of fit. So yeah, depending on like your choice, you can add something before his name or after his name, right? After his name. So we'll do the same thing. If we have two activities, yes, two activities similar node, what we can do? We can add something before or after. Now, before or after means what? Okay, I should not. I'm doing video, so I should not like reading his name. Okay, whatever. You will not see it. So what we can do? If I have two activities which have very similar node, we can do one thing. We can cut here. Say this is my B. Then this part make it as a dummy. Dummy. So what I did now, I have another node, the K. Now B is no longer IJ. B became IK. We can do it, right? So I will cut here IK. Now somebody else may see that, oh no, activity B is good, I will cut similar to my name. Say you can write me, yes, stupid Islam, and that person is handsome, right? Handsome Islam. You can like differentiate this way. Or if you like me, you can tell me handsome, that person is stupid, yes? This way. Now, I will not disturb B, I will disturb A. What can I do? Say my B is same, it is I, it is J, then we can change here. So this is A, finish it here, K, this is a dummy. So it is possible. It is possible. Or if you like, no, I will do something else. I will do B is here, dummy here, A is here. It is also possible. I, J, K. Now this is dummy. So I can bring my dummy before the name, after the name. So you can call me, say, stupid Islam or Islam stupid. Yes, both way. You can add something before my name or after my name. Similar here. You can add something after, something before. Even if you like to make it beautiful, okay, equal judgment to dummy activity. L. Is it a problem? It is not a problem. Let me see. No, it is not a problem. Because this activity, IL, this activity, oh, then this will be B. This will be A, yes. Now, no two activities has same start, same finish. No, it is possible. But adding two dummies, we know that dummies is dummy. It has no value. Just to show the logic. So, two dummies, people may not like it. Make it simple. One dummy, one dummy. So, in your homework, you might see it. You may need to do it. Two dummies activities, one dummy, maybe three dummies, four dummies. So decreasing number of dummies is better. Okay, so that is one thing to clarify. Second thing, last class I told you that if I have many activities starting parallelly, say A, Y, A, B, yes. 3 activities together, do not start many activities together, give a common starting point. This is true for arrow. If it is node, say 3 activities A, B, C, then make it combine, we start with a project start a diamond. So for node important event is diamond. For arrow, every time it is circular. For node, every time circular. For arrow. For arrow diagram, every node is circular. For arrow diagram, every node is circular. This is circular. This is circular. Circular. For node, most of the activities is square or rectangle. Important one, diamond. Start or finish, diamond. Now clear, right? Okay, no time to waste. So I was thinking that if I solve more problems, it is easier for you. So you start this one, first one. First one is activity, then preceding activity. Preceding activity. Say first activity A, it is following nobody. Then B, it is following A. Then C, it is following again A. If it is next is D, it is following B. Next is E, it is following C and D. I am right or wrong? A following nobody. Sorry, no. A is not following anybody. B is following A, C is following A, D is following B, E is following C, D. Now, when I see a problem, here there is nothing to memorize. Even I do not know what is the answer. Once I start, I will know. Similarly, if you want to go to say Utah somewhere, you do not memorize the road. It's not possible. That okay, follow this, then after 20 miles turn right, after 10 miles turn left. It's not possible. Simply go, you will find it. Follow the GPS. Similar here, I do not know the answer. I will go and based on my logic, I will proceed. Now sometimes, if you practice, you will get some clue what to do. So for example here, activity A. First I will draw arrow diagram. Arrow. So activity A, it is following nobody. So this is my activity A. It is following nobody. So single activity. Then B is following A, C is following A. Two activities, two same. That means two activities are following the same person. So I will keep some space. So I will give B this way, C this way. That is some tricks. Because two here. Now if you do not see this one, only A, what you will do? You will do okay, B is following A, so I will write B here. Then C is following A. Then you already took all the space. You have to start like this. C. Does it look good? It's okay, it's not wrong. You can do it. But if you see that two activities are following on, better to save some space. So what I will do, it is not wrong, it's correct. But it looks better that if I do this way. B I will give up, C I will give here. It looks better. So B is following A, C is following A. Right? Logic shows that no problem. Then what? D is following B. So D is following B. So this is my B. Okay, so I will close B here. D is following B. Any problem in the logic? I do not see any problem because D is following B. Done. I told you it is not a good idea to close like this because we do not know where we will go next. Better keep your option open like this. Later on we will close it. Okay, E is following C and D. It's problem, right? E will follow C and D. So C and D both. What to do? Combine these two, right? So I will do this on, combine these two here, close it. So D is done, my E will be here. Yes. Then my E is following C and D. Now regarding shape, I'll give you some angle. If you do this way, it is not a problem, but it doesn't look good. So beautification, first time you do not know. First time just draw. Second time see how it can be like made better. Now check one more time. A nobody, B following A, yes B is following A, C is following A, no problem. D is following B, yes D is following B, E following C, D. Combine, yes, done. Then give a name. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done, no problem. Then I will draw node diagram. Node diagram is easier, very easy. Activity A, following nobody, A. B following A, B. C following A, C. D following B, D. E following C, D. Similar, make it beautiful. It is E, right? E. Okay. Close arrow. Once you draw the arrow diagram, node is very easy. Node has no dummy, just connect. Any question? No question? Okay, then next one, yes. We will practice today, yes. Today we will not learn anything new. Whatever we learned last class, we are just revising so that you can do your homework in easy way. So I will delete it. If you do not, I think you wrote it. Or if you miss something, I will upload this video in Blackboard so you can see also. Next one. Next one, similar activity. A is following nobody, B is following A, C is following A, D is following BC. Similar, yes? Check one more time. A is following nobody, B is following A, C is following A, D is following BC. Okay. Again, I do not know the answer. I will start, yes? Just start your car, follow the GPS, you will go there. First, I will draw arrow because arrow is difficult. Difficult to me, maybe to you, node is difficult, arrow is easy. But universal truth, arrow is difficult. Okay, A following nobody. A, done. B is following A, B is following A. C is also following A. So two activities following same activity. So better to keep some space. Now when you drive your car, if you see a police 2 miles ahead, you slow down, right? Slow down, make sure everybody is under seat belt. Speed limit is 75. Similar. When you are doing, if you see that same letter is coming, be careful, yes? So when I was doing B, I saw that C is also following A. I left some space, yes? So B, C, and next I do not know, but I have to figure it out. Then D is following B and C. D is following B and C together. So what is to do? B and C, D is following. Last time we did it, right? Is it O? Yes or no? Good or bad? Oh, it is not dash. Dash means dummy. Is it good? Logic says D is following B and C. So P was here, C was here, I closed together and D. Good? Congratulations. Now see. 1, 2, 3, 4. B, node B is node 2 and 3. C, node, sorry, my handwriting is really bad. 2 and 3, yes or no? So two activities following same nodes. Doesn't make sense. Two persons same name. Doesn't make sense. Better add something before his name or after his name. So either stop B here, make it a dummy. Now it is good. Or add this dummy here, move B here, also good. Or C here, close here, dummy here. Many options. So we can do this portion. We can do this B here, C here, close here, dummy here. Okay. But I can move this dummy anywhere, either here or here or here or here. But if I do not use this dummy, two activities